Welcome to another episode of What's Going On in Norm's Shed, or in the wild vicinity thereof. Today I'm going to investigate how to adjust the tracks on that little track loader behind me. In the total absence of any kind of manufacturer's instruction in the manual or anywhere else, it's going to be a bit of a journey of discovery. Let's see how it goes.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to Diggermate.com and get it done with Diggermate.
So that little thing there is just a filler cap. I had it off yesterday and it's just oil goes in there. So I don't think that's the adjustment. I think that's where you top up the outer cylinder, because the round thing that it's attached to looks like a cylinder. I think this thing over here is the likely suspect for the adjustment. And just to give us a point of reference, at the moment I've got about an inch, I guess. Let me hold the camera still. About an inch of movement there, which probably isn't too bad. So in the toolkit that came with the machine came this thing, which looks very much like the inside of this little thing that I just took off, that I was just pointed out. So I'm going to screw that on and apply a grease gun and see what happens. So you're going to need 32mm spanner. I don't know if you can read that 32 there. But anyway, 32mm socket. If you don't already have one, go out and buy one tomorrow. Snug it up so that it don't leak any grease. Just give it a gentle pump. I can see it coming up a little bit snugger with every pump. Got about a half an inch of play now, so I think I'll call that about what I want. Maybe one more. Yep, that'll do me. Then put the cap back on and tighten it up so that it can't vibrate off. And I'm happy with that.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to Diggermate.com. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.